Okay, so I was just in the shop and they didn't have my favorite tortillas. So I was thinking, okay, why not try to make my own? A long time ago I was doing them with butter. Now I'm gonna try them with coconut oil. Let's see if they work. And yeah, you didn't come here to listen to my life story, true? So let's go to the recipe. Come on. So here's what you need. Flour, baking powder, salt, coconut oil, warm water, and that's all you need to start. Time to get dirty. Mix the dough and bam! We got dough for 4 tortillas, fajitas, wraps, whatever you call it, because someone might get offended anyway. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, but you're not going to eat just tortillas, right? So no time to waste. Preheat your oven. If you want your dish to be extra tasty, use an old parchment paper to make it absorb all the flavors from your last 5 dishes. Peel some potatoes like this. Now chop them into cubes like this. And now spread them on a baking sheet. Into the oven they go for about 20 minutes. Now what fits really good with sweet potatoes is hummus. So let's make a perfect addition to the sweet potatoes. Chickpeas, check. Tahini, check. Garlic powder, check. Salt, check. Lemon juice, check. Some water to make it liquid, check. Bzz. Next points are easy. Cherry tomatoes, wash, cut in half. Done. Spinach, wash it. Ready. Black beans, drain, rinse. Done. What's left? We have to pray to our avocado gods to get a ripe avocado. And yes, we got a ripe avocado. Hooray! Time to finish our dough. Split it in 4 parts. Make small balls out of them. Dust the surface with tiny amount of flour. Transform 4 balls into 4 flat pancakes. Now on a hot pan, throw one of them and keep under 1 minute on each side. Disclaimer: the homemade tortillas will not be as flexible as the ones that you buy in the store. We have to adjust. Okay, now that we have everything done, now let your creativity flourish and assemble as you want. You can make a salad out of all the ingredients and fill your tortillas, or follow my order. Totally not the best way ever to do this. Most important, enjoy the food and save some animals while doing so.